Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It is FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing review of this Delta Airlines Boeing 717-200 by Gemini Jets. Funny story about this exact aircraft, actually. The day I picked up this model, I picked it up in Atlanta, of all places, at the Aviation Models Collectible Show at the Delta Museum. And my ride up to Atlanta was ironically this exact airplane. So that's kind of something I find kind of funny, and it's pretty cool to me. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So we'll start with the front of the box. Here's the front of the box. Here are the sides of the box. Here's the back of the box. Standard Gemini Jets box. This is a 23 release. There's the flap. There's the model. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. Okay, here is the model. This is a very, very cool model, especially because I've actually flown on this exact aircraft. But it's very cool because this is the most common Delta aircraft that services my home airport of Melbourne Orlando International Airport. So that's pretty cool. It's something I find cool to me. But yeah, this is this model. It's Gemini Jets quality, so you know it's good quality. This is the 717-200, but it's also technically the MD-95. So this aircraft, it's nicknamed the MD-95 because it's built basically on the same platform as the MD-90, MD-80, and kind of the DC-9 platform. So it's a very cool looking airplane. It is not the quietest airplane whatsoever, but the Wi-Fi does work on it, I will say. But it is very cool. A little fact about the MD-95 or the 717's interior is that it's split up into a 2-3 for economy class and for comfort plus, and for first class it's your standard 2-2. But 2-3 is very convenient for families of 5. You can stick 3 kids on one aisle, or on one side of the aisle, and then on the other side of the aisle can just be the adults. But something very cool I find about the MD-95 or the 717. But I have big plans for this aircraft. Of course, I'm going to try and make a little model version of my home airport. So that is definitely a goal for me. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch you next week for an important video with this aircraft. This particular aircraft. And until next week, guys, I will see you in the next one. Alright guys, this is FunTube Aviation, signing off.